welcome back to Ginger Sadie's Crafts. I'm Mercedes. If you like quick and easy craft and DIY projects, clearance hauls, thrift store flips, and rescue puppies, then you're in the right place. I appreciate you joining me today. We are going to be doing some projects using window clings, which you would think you could use for other than your window. I hope you enjoyed today's projects. Even though they are patriotic theme, you can use the concept for any window clings at any place that you get them from, like Hobby Lobby, Dollar General, for any season, any time of year, or everyday decor. I'm doing today's projects for a friend of mine. She had asked me if I was going to be doing some more patriotic decor, so girl, this is for you. If you enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up. It's free. It helps the girl out. Also, subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Come on, join my family. I'm only 30 subscribers away from 400, and I could do my big 400 subscriber giveaway. So like, comment, share, and comment down below. Let me know what your favorite project out of the ones we do today is. Also, a list of the supplies needed will be in the description box below. And then without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so for all of these projects, you will need some of these 4th of July window clings from the Dollar Tree. You will need some options of your choice to put them on. So there's this tag. We're going to do a couple today. A house, a sandwich board, and a star. You'll need a glue stick, a pencil, maybe some scissors, and also maybe a ruler depending on what you want to cut out. And then optional, if you'd like to embellish what we're going to make today, there's some ribbon choices. So this is the Offray ribbon in the black and white buffalo check. This is the Floral Garden ribbon in blue and white. This is a newer Floral Garden ribbon that they have now that is like this really cool like denim blue. They have this one from Floral Garden with the blue stripe on the cream. Or you can use twine. And if you do want to make some bows for our projects, you'll also need a trusty glue gun. So we're going to do some easy ones first. So I'm going to take this tag and then I'm going to pick one of these from here. I'm actually going to use, I think, let's see here, this USA. These are so easy, guys. You're not even going to stand it. Like, it's going to be amazing. And I'm also going to use some of these stars too. So I want to make sure to leave space. So I'm kind of going to play around. Sorry, guys. I'm trying a new camera setup today. So I'm going to kind of play around with where I want to put my USA here because I do, as I mentioned, I want to put stars. And I think I'm actually might cut out this flag too, which would be kind of cool. So let me do that. You know what? No, I'm going to skip the flag. We're skipping the flag, guys. So I think I'm going to angle this to put my stars on. So you can attach it just directly to there because it's like a glossy surface. But if you want to make sure it's going to stick, you're going to want to apply glue. And this is a glue stick from the Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to put some glue on the back. And then I'm going to apply my USA at an angle. And then I'm going to pick a couple of stars to use. So I think I'm going to use this one down here. Right there. I can peel it off. Attach it with my glue here. You know what I did, guys? I totally put glue on the wrong side because I'm a spaz. That's okay. That's okay. I have an extra one. I bought two. So I will make sure to put glue on the actual back side this time. Some glue on there. Got a little extra glue there. And then I'm going to attach it here at the bottom. Wow, I went a little crazy with the glue. I went a little crazy with the glue, y'all. Wait. So I have one there. And then I'm going to take this star that looks like a flag. I can get it off. Riding the struggle bus, guys. Riding in the struggle bus. We're riding the struggle bus. And then I'm going to put my star right there. So look at that. So you can have it like this. Or if you want to put a little bow up here, you can. So what I think I'm going to do is use some of my twine here. And I'm actually just going to wrap it around my hand a few times. And then cut it. And then I'm going to take a strand here and cut that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wrap it around the middle. Get this so you can see it. So I'm going to wrap it around the middle here. And I'm going to tie a knot. I got glue all over my fingers, so it's not making this any easy. Like that. To make my bow. And then I'm just going to cut some of the extra strands off. I'm going to cut this one short because I don't want it hanging out. And then I'm take my trusty glue gun, put some glue right there. I can get it out. There we go. And then I'm going to put my bow right up top so you can have this finished sign. Alright, so I'm going to be using the sandwich board and the Home of the Brave, I believe is what I'm going to use. So I'm just going to kind of see if it'll fit on there without me having to cut it, and I think I can. So this one is going to be super easy, guys. Like just straight up peeling it off, putting glue on the back. And then putting it on there. Look at that, you guys. It doesn't get any easier than that. That is awesome. Okay, and then I'm going to be using this house. And I think I'm going to be using this one right here and maybe a couple of small stars. I'm going to peel this off. Kind of see where I want to place it. Actually, I think right there in the middle is good. And I don't think I even need any stars. I think it'll be cool the way it is. Got that there. here. I'm going to place it more towards the bottom because I want to do a bow at the top. So there is that. And then what ribbon do I want to use, guys? What ribbon do I want to use? Actually, I think I like this denim ribbon. It says Stitch. You can see it. Walk the light a little bit. Maybe. It says Stitch ribbon. And it's fairly new at the Dollar Tree. Gotta cut it open. Sorry, y'all, not prepared. So speaking of 4th of July, do you guys have any plans? Anybody doing anything fun? Going on any sort of trips? Anything cool like that? So for this one, I'm going to just try to attempt, because we all know Mercedes and bows just don't do well. So I'm just going to try to attempt a simple bow. You guys want to make a bet how many times it's going to take me to get this figured out? Get it to where I like? Let me know what you think. Get it on the first go. It's going to take me a bit. So it would help if I actually put it in the frame. Actually, I think that's not too bad. So I'm kind of going to see about maybe where I want to put it here on my house. So I think that's pretty good where it is. And I think I'm just going to cut it just straight across. Not doing anything fancy with the bottom. I don't want to mess that up. So here is my bow. And then I'm going to put my dab of glue right here, kind of where the roof of the house is. And then place my bow there. I left my trusty spatula downstairs, guys. I'm recording in a different room in the house because it usually has better lighting until I get my craft room sorted, because it's kind of dark and scary, guys. It's dark and scary. All right, check that out, guys. How cool is that? And it's pretty simple. Awesome. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know down below, what are you guys doing on the 4th of July? Anything fun or just staying indoors? I got 3 dogs, so me and my puppers are all going to be staying inside, trying to keep everybody calm. So we have our 3 projects that we did today. Oh, I want to mention too, if you want to make sure these last long, I might recommend putting a coat of Mod Podge on there to keep them from maybe peeling off, especially if you might put them outside. But anyway, thanks so much for joining me. I wish you guys a safe and happy 4th of July. I'm back. I just want to let you guys know, if you want to see 2 bonus DIYs that I did, check out my Instagram at Ginger Sadie's Crafts. I will put a link in the description box and pin it down below, and you can see a couple of other DIYs that I did not show here. And if you haven't followed me there, go check me out. I show other quick and easy DIY projects that I don't do here on my channel, as well as some awesome other things that are going on in my life, shopping finds, home decor, all sorts of goodies. So again, check me out there, Instagram, Ginger Sadie's Crafts. Thanks.